And today we're delighted to offer this lovely delivery My Citroen Dispatch M Enterprise Pro. You can probably see by the sort of sign on the windscreen, it is fully electric. And this van's fitted with the large capacity 75 kilowatt battery. It gives a range up to 196 miles. So I'm just going to walk you down the driver's side of the vehicle first. See there the offside side loading door. That's fitted with a security lock as the rear door and the near side loading door. I'll just take you into the rear loading area. You'll see there it's already fitted out with lots of useful racking. There's a charging lead, all your shelving, it is ply lined. I've also got the flex cargo panel down to show you to put your longer loads, longer pipes and bits and bobs in, and the inside passenger seat up. Okay, we'll just come out of there. You see the rear park sensors. So to the near side rear view, I will just show you the rhino pipe tube holder. Again, I've just gone to the side loading door. Everything as new. The vehicle from 272 miles. Okay, and just into the front cabinet itself. Again, everything as new, looking superb. Okay, I'll just put the seat down. Driver's armrest there. We'll come around in a second, just show you some of the goodies that the van has. Okay, there's the charging point. Come to the front and front fogs. Okay, I'll just take you to the cabinet itself. Just talk you through some of the bits. Okay, we'll work our way across. We've got electric windows and electric mirrors. You see there, driver's seat, all height adjuster, an armrest. Okay, let's just jump in the vehicle. And we've got auto lights and wipers, all trip computer on there just to tell you all electric range and bits and bobs on there. Cruise control. As we come across to the 7-inch coloured touchscreen, you'll see DAB radio, all Bluetooth. I've got my phone plugged in already to the USB there, just to show you all your bits and bobs, all your apps. Going to Google Maps, very easy to do, very easy to load. We work our way down, we've got air conditioning. As I mentioned before, USB charging socket. There's 3 different driving modes there on this switch. Electronic handbrake. Okay, we'll just come out of the vehicle. As I mentioned, it's done 272 miles. It was registered in February 22, and we do offer nationwide delivery. If you'd like to know more about this van, you can remember myself, Tom. We're in the sales team on 01507 602222, or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.